change. We truly believe that every Bronco has the potential and worth to be the leader that they're meant to be.
It means to be follow all the 7 habits, and when someone needs help with something, you can guide them through it and just make sure that they feel like they're getting the help they need and they just feel loved and get help from people.
I am so incredibly proud of the staff and students and community for all that they do, pouring into our Broncos, tapping into their genius, and really just making sure that they are getting all the things that they need to be the leader that they're meant to be out in the world.